Stop.
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 Stop this day and night.
Stop this day and night with me, and you shall possess the origin of all poems.
I celebrate myself. 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 And what I assume, you shall assume. For every atom belonging to me, as good belongs to you.
I tramp a perpetual journey. My signs are a rainproof coat and good shoes and a staff cut from the woods. No friend of mine takes his ease in my chair. I have no chair. Nor church, nor philosophy. I lead no man to a dinner table. Or library, or exchange of lives. Each man and each woman of you I lead upon a knoll. My left hand hooks you around the waist, and my right hand points to landscapes of continents. And a plain public road. Not I, not anyone else can travel that road for you. You must travel it for yourself.
It is not far. It is within reach. Perhaps you have been on it since you were born and did not know.
Perhaps it is everywhere, on water and on land. Shoulder your duds, and I will mine, and let us hasten forth.
Wonderful cities and free nations we shall fetch as we go.
Contemptible dreams. Now I wash the gum from your eyes.
Now I wash the gum from your eyes.
You must habit yourself to the dazzle of the light and of every moment of your life.
Now I wash the gum from your eyes.
Timidly waded, holding a plank by the shore. Now, I will you to be a bold swimmer.
Now I will you to be a bold swimmer.
Jump off in the midst of the sea, and rise again and nod to me, and shout, and laughingly dash with your hair.
We fathom you not. We love you. There is perfection in you also. You furnish your parts toward eternity, great or small. You furnish your parts toward the soul.